I'm going to be using AI to give me side hustles that are practical, that will give me best results starting from this weekend. I'm going to be testing, or maybe I'm going to be giving 2 AI websites to actually give me 5 ideas in different categories. I already have my prompt and I want to show you which AI tools am I going to use, and we're going to be seeing their side hustles that they are actually comparing, or maybe they are actually giving us. The prompt that I'm going to be using, it's going to be a very easy prompt. I'll leave the link so that you can, I'll leave in the description so that you can also try yourself and pick your side hustle that AI has actually told us to try this weekend without wasting a lot of money. Now, remember, this is AI. We don't know what it's going to give us, and I have not done this before, but we want to try it together. It is like we are testing AI to give us side hustle or maybe business ideas that we can start on a low budget, and we're going to be comparing this AI, which one will give us the best one and the easy one and the one that won't cost a lot. Are you ready for the challenge? Let's dive in.
Tools that we're going to be using, AI tools that we're going to be using for side hustle ideas, or maybe for business ideas that we can start this weekend. The first one is ChatGPT, and then the next one is Gemini Pro 2.5 Pro. Let's go to ChatGPT and give it a prompt, and the prompt that we're going to be using is very simple. You can get it in the description. So the first one is not the first one. The prompt says, I need 5 distinct side hustle ideas. The criteria are: can be realistically set up and started within a single weekend, approximately 48 hours. Number 2, requires minimal upfront financial investment, under 50. Number 3, leverages common skill, basic computer literacy, communication. Number 4, has a potential for eventual decent income, even if not immediate. Focus on actionability for this weekend. So this is the prompt that we're going to be using. So we're going to click here. First, we put in the ChatGPT, and as you can see, ChatGPT will start actually giving us the ideas. Okay, it's going to start generating the ideas. Meanwhile, let's go to Gemini. And then I'm using Gemini 2.5 Pro. This is, I think, the newest model. They have advanced that you can get a free trial and start utilizing it. So I'm going to insert the prompt and then let it start actually generating. And you can see, maybe you can click here to show the thinking if you want to see how Gemini is actually thinking and giving us feedback. Okay. So while it is doing that, let's go back to ChatGPT and see, maybe read together the ideas that it has given us. Okay, all of them, they are here, 5 of them. So let's read through together so that you can pick yours and start this weekend. Are there some things or maybe things that you can do? You're going to tell me in the comment section. Now, the first one, ChatGPT says, sell AI generated printables on Etsy. That's something we can do. Setup time 4 to 8 hours. Cost 0 to 30 because of the listing fee on Etsy. And then you can use Canva optional, and also it has a pro trial. Canva has a pro trial that you can use. What you're gonna do, or maybe what you'll do, use Canva free or pro trial, or maybe Kittle to design printables. Products like planners, budget trackers, kits, activity sheets, wall art, etc. Okay, and then open Etsy shop or maybe store and list 10 to 20 products using SEO friendly titles. Wow, this is something nice. And you can see ChatGPT is even giving us actions and step by step what you can do. So the first step is to pick a niche, e.g. moms, students, pet owners, etc. And then it says design 10 plus simple printables. Promote your shop on Pinterest or maybe social media. Scalability, easily expandable into digital products and brands. Amazing.
If you are loved, or maybe if you are watching my content, you are getting some value, you want to see more side hustle maybe recommended by AI, or maybe you want to see more prompts that I give AI to give me best side hustles when it comes to actually AI tools and also online, making money online, do me one favor, guys, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next in the next video. I'm gonna be revealing you the results that I got out of the side hustle that we have chosen.
Now, let's move to idea number 2. Business number 2 that we can try, ChatGPT is giving us, is start a local digital service side hustle. Flyer design, simple website, social media help. Start a local digital service. That's amazing. Setup time, you're going to require 8 to 12 hours. Cost 0 to 20, maybe optional. Domain optional, use free tools. What you'll do, offer basic services to local businesses, maybe flyer, social media setup, basic one-page sites via card or maybe via Canva. Use Facebook Marketplace, Nextdoor, or maybe local Facebook groups to promote. Okay, so what ChatGPT is saying here is just like you offer your services to businesses who need maybe assistance in their social media presence, like their website and stuff like that. Action to take, or maybe steps to take this weekend: create a service menu, 3 to 4 maybe offers, and then build a portfolio using Canva and the card page. Post your service in local forums and groups. Scalability can evolve into a full digital marketing agency or maybe freelance profile. This is amazing, something that we can actually try. Okay, number 3, launch a niche newsletter on Beehive or Substack. Wow. Setup time 6 to 8 hours. Cost 0. Beehive or Substack, free plan. What you'll do, you choose a focused topic you enjoy, e.g. weekend AI hacks for busy moms, pet care tips for cats owners, etc. Set up a free newsletter and write your first 2 to 3 issues. Share on social media or in relevant communities. Now, action to do: pick a niche and brainstorm 10 newsletter ideas. Set up your newsletter platforms and design. Okay. Now, scalability: monetize later via affiliate links, paid subscription, or digital products. That's amazing, something we can try this weekend. Number 4, become an affiliate for digital tools you already use. Wow. So it is suggesting affiliate marketing. Cost is 0. What you'll do, sign up for free affiliate programs like Canva, Amazon, Beehive, System.io. Write simple tutorial or reviews on a free blog or maybe on Medium. Share your links via email, Pinterest, or maybe YouTube Shorts. Use free AI video tools. Action: choose 2 to 3 affiliate programs. Create short written content, blog, media, LinkedIn, and stuff. Make 1 to 2 tutorial style video using Canva or InVideo. Share on social or maybe Reddit in niche communities. Scalability can lead to passive income through evergreen content. This is something that I think most of us we can do, affiliate, or maybe we are already doing, especially if you are on this channel. Now, the last one, it says offer microservices on Fiverr, e.g. email writing, voiceovers, transcription. Okay, setup time 4 to 6 hours, cost 0. What you'll do, set up 2 to 3 Fiverr kits, offering easy to deliver services, e.g. 150 email copy, maybe short voiceovers, transcription of 5 minutes video. Use ChatGPT or maybe free AI tools to speed up delivery. Action to take: choose service that align with your strengths. Write compelling gig description and create visuals using Canva. Launch your gigs and share them in relevant communities. Scalability: Fiverr can become a full-time income stream with recurring clients. That's another one. Amazing. So out of these 5, which one would you rather try?
Tell me in the comment section which one will you try and how it's gonna go, or maybe how has it been for you if you have tried these side hustles. And let me know also which one was your best.
Tell me in the comment section, would you try to sell AI generated printable on Etsy, guys? Or maybe would you want to try to start a local digital service side hustle? Or would you want to start or maybe launch a niche newsletter? Or would you do affiliate marketing? Or lastly, would you offer microservice on Fiverr or maybe Upwork? Okay, for me, I think the one that we're gonna be doing, or maybe I'm gonna be doing this weekend, is something to do with a niche newsletter. Stay tuned because I'm gonna be revealing to you the newsletter, or maybe if I have launched it and how is the progress. So this one is what I'm going to do. And tell me in the comment section which one are you interested in doing. Okay, let's start this weekend together. Let's go to Gemini and actually browse through quickly what it has offered us. Are they similar to ChatGPT? I don't know. So Gemini, as you can see, it has given us full strategy here. Let's just go through one by one to see. Here are 5 distinctive side hustles. So the first one Gemini is giving us is social media assistant for local small business. Same like ChatGPT told us. The concept is many local businesses, e.g. cafes, boutiques, artisans, etc., struggle with maintaining a consistent and engaging social media presence. You can offer your service to manage their accounts. This is something very nice, and you can see it is being repeated here on Gemini. And the best thing about Gemini 2.5 Pro, it is even giving you more details on the setup and actionable steps, especially during this weekend, because we were focusing on 48 hours. Okay, it has given us here steps like identify your niche, create a simple service package, craft short pitch, stuff like that. How to reach out, visit, and stuff like that. Tools, even it has given us the tools like Canva, okay, for actually scheduling. Okay, now let's move on to number 2. Idea number 2 here: local errand runner or task helper. Wow, concept. Offer your service to busy individuals, families, or maybe seniors in your neighborhood for tasks they don't have time for or need assistance with. This could include grocery shopping, prescription pickup, post office run, dog walking if comfortable, light gardening, or maybe waiting for deliveries, maybe repairmen. This is something doable, and I think most of us, you can agree with us that it is something that actually you can do. Upfront cost $0 to $15, maybe printing flyers if you choose. And then potential income, let's see if Gemini is giving us potential income. Let's see here. It has not given us, but income potential, initially, income will be modest as you learn the platforms and build ratings. Consistent effort can lead to 50 to 200 per week, depending on the task and time invested. Which one is this? My reading. Which one? Online. No. This is the one that we are talking about, 4 to 5 hours. Okay. 80 to 100. This can be. Okay. Let's go to number 3. I think I got mixed up. Online micro. This one. Online micro tasker or maybe freelance platform contributor. So what it says, the concept is sign up for platforms that offer short paid tasks. This can include things like data entry, transcription, if you are decent in typing skills, visual assistant tasks, content writing, or maybe participate in paid user testing and websites. This is same like ChatGPT had given us. Okay, you can even post on maybe on Fiverr, platforms like Fiverr. Now, number 4 here, it says sell printables or maybe simple digital designs on Etsy and Gumroad. The same like Etsy, like the same idea. The ChatGPT has given us when it comes to actually selling stuff, digital products. The concept is design and sell digital products that customers can download and print themselves. Example planners, checklist, budget trackers, simple wall art, quotes, coloring page, codes, maybe chose charts, or maybe social media templates. Okay, so this is the idea that has been repeated, and I think it is something that you can all do using the right tools. The last one that Gemini is offering is offer basic here. Offer basic tech support or maybe troubleshooting for seniors or maybe less tech-savvy individuals. Wow, this is another amazing, a new one. Many people, especially older adults, struggle with common tech issues, setting up a new phone or maybe tablet, printer problems, Wi-Fi connectivity, basic software usage. Actually, this is a nice one because I also remember sometimes I struggle with the settings up some stuff, especially when it comes to my computer. And I think if you can offer this service for, especially for people who are not techy, you can make some good money. So it has given us all the steps to take here. And even it has given us the potential amount or maybe the income potential, which could be $20 to $40 per hour, or maybe a flat fee per issue resolved. Building a reputation for being helpful and trustworthy can lead to repeat clients and referrals. Now it says, remember to be professional, reliable, and also provide good service in whichever hustle you choose. Good luck this weekend. Amazing. I love the ideas. I love all of them. And I think, like I said, this is the one that we're going to be using, or maybe I'm going to start this weekend, and I'll keep you updated. If you want to see how it is going on, how am I doing it, stay tuned to the channel and you're gonna be learning more. Tell me in the comment section which one was your favorite, which one would you want, even on the part of Gemini. Which one do you think that it is actionable? Which one have you tried? Which one are you going to try?
Until next time, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and also do me one favor, guys. Share this video to anyone who wants to try side hustle using AI tools. Bye bye.